Hi everybody, it's Miss Jessie here, and today let's make a birdhouse. If you can go on a quick nature walk today and grab some things like rocks, twigs, and bark, that would help make this project go really well. I also used a juice carton and twine. You'll need scissors, and you'll also need some hot glue. I cut out circles around the box. One of the circles I took and covered up the hole that was on top of the box. That's where the juice comes out of normally. And I just used a hot glue gun to glue that down. And then I chose to cover my juice box with twine. I had twine at home, so that's why I chose to do that. You don't have to do that. You could use whatever you have at home. So anything that could last outside, right? And remember, birds are part of nature. So we want things that are natural. So you don't want to paint it. And maybe you could glue your twigs that you found on your nature walk, or some rocks, or maybe some of the bark, or you could just leave it with just the holes. You don't even need to cover the box up. I had this twine, so I thought, why not? Let's just do it. So I started from the bottom and I worked my way all the way up to the top. Now I did cover the holes, and you'll see later on what I do with that, how to open up the holes again. This part does take a long time and it takes a lot of patience. So just take it easy, go slow, and enjoy the process. Once I was done that part, I looked for where the holes were and chose the hole that I liked the best, or the one that I wanted to cut open. So I didn't actually cut open all the spots. I just picked this one. And now it's really hard to cut this twine. This twine's very thick. So what I did was I got my scissors in there and I tried to cut really carefully. See how it's coming up? It's working. Now you might need some help from an adult or a grown-up to do this part. And then what I did was I just cut a straight line up the middle and then worked my way around the circle, cutting the extra twine to make the hole look like an actual circle. See, it's coming together pretty nicely. After that, I decided I need somewhere for the birds to sit. So I used some bark that I had, and I hot glue gunned that down. Now you have to hold it in place for a minute because the glue takes a few seconds to dry. So just be patient, and ta-da! And now you decide how you want to decorate your birdhouse. If you've got twigs, you might want to put twigs like this, because that looks really cool too. Oh, I tried to break that one, that's too hard. Or you could use bark, whatever you want. I did cut a piece of twine because I want to hang my bird feeder up, my birdhouse up. So I put some twine in a little loop on the top. I used the hot glue, and then I decorated around that. If you're gonna just put your bird feeder somewhere, like just on a table or just in your backyard on the ground, you won't need the little hangy part there. And then just go at it. Have fun decorating any way you like. And this is how I decorated mine. once you finished decorating your birdhouse, don't forget to add some bird seeds so then the birdies will be attracted to your birdhouse. Here it is, hanging outside in my backyard. Hope you guys had fun making this, and have an amazing day, everybody. Bye!